Your friend is telling you that hamburgers are not healthy. You disagree. You want to check it with your AI. You ask a simple question, like how to make a hamburger, and it makes a dozen assumptions, giving you a wall of text for a simple checklist. It wastes your time, forcing you to read things you don't need. You could have asked more questions and gotten straight to the point. It feels like you're talking to someone who just isn't listening. This is the personalization gap, and it's the biggest problem with AI today. But what if you could teach your AI to think like you? Introducing Personalize AI, the free, simple way to personalize any AI chat, whether it's ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, Gemini, or any other. We don't ask you technical questions. Instead, you'll answer 11 simple, real-world questions about how you think and work. These questions are designed to discover your unique communication style. Are you a fast-moving executor who wants direct answers? Or are you a thoughtful collaborator who prefers to explore options first? Once you're done, Personalize AI instantly gets to work. It generates your custom communication protocol, a powerful set of instructions built from your personality that tells any AI exactly how to talk to you. You get the tone you want, the format you need, and you determine who leads the conversation. Simply copy your protocol and paste it as the first message in any new AI chat. Now watch what happens. The AI's entire personality transforms. It's no longer making assumptions, it's working with you, the way you think. Stop fighting your AI. Start personalizing it. Discover your AI communication style today. It's free, completely private, and available in 4 languages. Visit personalizeai.org to get started.